Hey, Dr. Stile here. Today I want to discuss a topic of great interest to many of my patients. Am I a candidate for a tummy tuck? First and foremost, abdominoplasty, commonly known as a tummy tuck, is a transformative procedure that can help individuals achieve a flatter, more toned abdomen. But is this the right procedure for you? Candidates for a tummy tuck share many traits. They may include women who've achieved their family planning goals and want to restore their pre-pregnancy abdominal contours. Additionally, men and women who have overcome significant weight loss and are dealing with excess skin and tissue in the abdominal area may also benefit from this procedure. Furthermore, individuals, both men and women, who have weakened abdominal muscles, often due to pregnancy or significant weight fluctuations, can also be excellent candidates for a tummy tuck. So, how does the tummy tuck work? During the procedure, I'll carefully remove excess skin and fat from the middle and lower abdomen while tightening the abdominal wall muscles. This results in a firmer and more defined midsection, helping you achieve your desired look. What is the procedure like? The surgery usually takes around 2 to 3 hours and is performed under general anesthesia. Recovery time can vary, but most patients can return to light daily activities within 2 to 4 weeks. Following post-operative care instructions is important to ensure a smooth and successful recovery. Now, what results can you expect? Following a tummy tuck, you can expect a smoother, flatter abdomen with improved contour and a youthful appearance. However, to ensure long-lasting results, it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. In conclusion, if you are considering a tummy tuck, it's essential to consult with a board-certified plastic surgeon to determine if you are a suitable candidate and to discuss your expectations and goals. If you have any further questions or are interested in exploring the possibility of a tummy tuck, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to guide you through the process and help you achieve the results you desire. Be well.